Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vadim and I'm a beginner day trader. Today is day number 89 of the small account challenge, and today, after a big red day from yesterday, I decided to tighten my stop loss and follow all of the rules. So today I did not average down, I did not hold my loser for a long time, for over 10 minutes, and I did not hold a loser for over 10 bucks. So today I traded just one stock, and I'm up today by $8.13. This is not a lot, but this is a nice way to start recovery from what happened yesterday. So let me show you my trades in a trader view. As you can see, today I made 5 trades. I'm up by $8.13. Still an ugly week because of this 2 red days, especially this one. So here I was almost break even on the week, minus $11, and just watch my recap from yesterday to find out what happened. It was very bad, and I even had thoughts that today ZNB was supposed to close this private placement deal, and I wanted to hold my loser overnight, which you don't want to do like ever. I decided to cut my loser yesterday, and I'm glad I cut because it went even lower. So let me show you my trades for today. Made 5 trades, traded only one stock. Before, when I was sitting in the pre-market, I saw AUD going from $2.50 up to $4.37, I think it was the high. But at 7 o'clock it started selling off like crazy. So at 7 o'clock, as you can see, I bought 50 shares of solar and I made $12.50 on it. So as the stock was squeezing higher, I got in and had very tight stops, as I said today, and as the stock was squeezing higher, I sold it. Bought at 392, I think, bought at 393 and sold at 419, and when the stock did not continue moving higher, I sold at 417, another 25 shares. So then I decided to reduce my share size to 5 shares only to protect my profit, and as you can see on this trade I lost 15 cents, on this one I made 15 cents, like nothing. Then I decided to trade with 25 shares, lost $2 on this one and $2.38 on this one. So being I was up $12.50 on a day, finishing a day plus $8.13 or 1.80%. A small green day, but again, so sometimes you need to have, after a big red day, just a green day. It doesn't matter the size, but just to have a green day to start recovery, because you don't want to go from being, again, I was red yesterday 123 or 122 bucks, and again I could risk it all today, wanted to make 100 bucks again, and probably what happened with AUD and with solar. Let's take a look. The last time I checked, the solar was just selling off, and take a look. Let's say I bought here at 393. At some point I was up 12 bucks, did not sell, and now you see the stock is trading at 326, and it was as low as $3.15 level. So lost 80 cents from the moment I got in, and this is what can happen if you will be stubborn, as I was yesterday. You can lose a lot of money. And same story with AUD. It popped up to $4.37, and the last time I checked it just sold off completely. So this is my day, finishing my day green, up $8.13, and very happy about it, very happy to start my recovering process. As I said, today I followed all of my rules on my calendar still, even though I did not follow rules on 13 and 15, still tracking down my bad habits and trying to get rid of them. So today was a nice day of following all of my rules. So if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Let me know, guys, what you traded today and how was your day, if it was a green or red. Thank you so much for watching, and right now I'm gonna show you my trades in a pre-market session. Good morning, guys. Looking at multiple stocks, solar on the scanner. I see it squeezing. Moving very fast. I'm gonna buy 50 shares. Bought 50 shares of the stock. High on this candle was 409. Looks like it's moving. I sold 25 shares. Solar is 33% on a day. I tried to get out plus $12.50. View app at $4. 399. Went a bit below VWAP. Oh, look at this. Look at this. So this was the first pullback on a 1 minute chart. Back to almost VWAP again. Below VWAP. Look at this now. I think now we have a pullback on 5 minute chart. 398 is a VWAP on 5 minute chart. MACD is open. I'm gonna buy 5 shares, bought 5 shares. Now it's selling. Now it's moving. High of the day was 436. This was a nice squeeze. We'll see if it's gonna move higher. High 437. Trying to sell my 5 shares. I'm gonna sell it here. Solar is not a leading gapper, but the stock is strong. AUD just selling off. Pirax hitting the scanner, 132 share stock. CINT on the scanner. Light volume and CINT. And UKK. There's a bunch of stocks on the scanner. Oh, 391. Is it gonna go lower? I'm gonna buy 25 shares. We'll see if it's gonna break VWAP. I'm selling. I lost $2 on this trade. I think solar is done. Solar is still trying to fight. Low 380. I'm gonna buy. Looks like it's strong. I'm gonna buy it now for the break of VWAP. Yeah, it broke VWAP, looks like, for a bit. 409. We'll see if it's gonna squeeze to the high of the day. 443. It was a nice candle on 5-minute chart. Huge green candle. Nice. So 409 we need to break in order to move higher. 407, 408, we're breaking, nice. Now we're looking pretty good. I got 25 shares of the stock. We'll see if we can break and go to the high of the day. This is a rejection, and I put my order to sell. What is happening? I try to sell the stock. Another attempt for the break of VWAP. VWAP at 406. MACD is negative, not sure if the trade is gonna work. Selling. I'm trying to sell. Sold it. Plus $8.13 today. Small profit. I was up at some point $12. I hope that, once we broke here, it was a nice green candle. I bought somewhere in here. It moved higher, then just dropped. Look at this. Now it's going. Again, I didn't want to risk and turn my small green day into red day, so that's why I sold it. But the stock is moving higher. Okay, finishing my day green. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.